Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with count function. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some amounts list, and the count function in Excel is used to determine the number of cells then contains the numerics value within the specified range. Okay, so let's start. The first I use here the count function is equal to and enter the count. So select here the count function and select the range of column, then bracket closed and enter. That's it. Total 11 amount here available. So total 11 count of this range of data. Okay. Now I'm going to hide some rows in this range of data. So I select the 4 to 8 row number and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. But here you can see the count is not changed accordingly. Hide the data. So here I want only the visible amounts counts, not height data count. So for that, you can use the aggregate with count. So let's see how it's done. I use here the control Z done do the actions, and I remove this formula. Now I use the is equal to aggregate. Okay. Then select here the count function. Count is a second number function. So 2 number is a count function. Then use the comma. Then select here the 5 number, ignore hidden rows. Okay, then use the comma. Then select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Here the 11 count as same as calculated. Okay. Now I'm hide some rows 4 to 8, the same rows I selected, and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. See the changes, only visible amounts count here showing. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.